Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make crochet flower. Let's start. I start with 8 chain. 1, 2, and slip stitch. And make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make triple crochet in the ring. This is the first triple. First, the second, and 3, and 4. And the last, make 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch in the ring. Do the same pattern 5 times. Now I finish the flower inside the white color, and after I will use the pink color to make around this. Make 7 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4,